back. And what I'm going to do here today is I'm going to change some of the pipes underneath this sink. It's probably best part of almost 100 years old. You know, look at this old cast iron P-trap. When was the last time you've seen one of those? And now that's still working, but you know, the drain above it and the basket strainers for the sink is pretty well shot. And so I'm going to get this changed. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's how much effort it took to bring that out of there. Look at that. Wow. Oh, if it all comes apart that easy, we're laughing. Let's see here. I might. There it goes. Look at that. Oh, the whole pipe is turning. I think the whole pipe is turning. Uh-oh. Yeah, looks like the whole thing's turning. That's okay. We'll figure it out. Okay. 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 Let's go take a look at that from down below. It unscrewed from this T here. And I don't know if there's enough room for it to come out by pulling it up. Okay. Okay, so I was able to pull it up. There it is. Look at that thing. Wow. Okay. Get that down out of there. Looks like this one had been changed at one point, but we're going to put in a match set, so we'll put 2 basket strainers in though. This one will come out. Okay. Okay, that's easy. Now that one, this one over here doesn't look like it's ever been out of there. So let's see what happens. Oh, look at that. That just broke off. It wasn't far from breaking off. Okay. Now it's going to take a moment. I'm going to wipe out those sinks and we'll get the new basket strainers in there. Okay, what I find works for these is one of these green scrub pads. There's a bunch of old gasket in there. And we'll go at it with this. And I clean this with the green scrub pad, top and bottom. And now I've got the new basket strainers. Okay. And they have a little gasket that goes on them and that screws in from the bottom. Okay. This one's got the thin gasket on it. We'll put that down in there. Okay. We'll do one at a time. On the instructions for this lower piece, there's a gasket. And if it shows here, if you're going to sit it in this way, you would need plumber's putty. But if you put it flat side up, you don't need the plumber's putty. Okay? So I'm going to put it flat side up, don't need the plumber's putty. Okay. Okay, same thing over here. I'm going to put the top piece in with a thin gasket on the top. All right, and we got the bottom piece with the flat side up on the rubber, like that, and screw it onto here. That's nice and snug. Nice and snug, just like that. Okay, here's the tail piece. It comes with it, and it's got a rubber gasket in it. Okay, I'm going to screw that on here, like that. Just until it's nice and snug. Okay, same for the other side. Gasket in the tail piece. And screw it onto the other basket strainer. Just like that. Okay. And I got this waist system. You can buy these at any hardware store. They might have to be cut and adjusted to fit, but they go like that. Okay, let's see how this is. We can make those a little shorter so we can have the P-trap a bit higher. Those can be cut off. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to make a P-trap. So we can make those a little shorter. Okay, there's the water test. I'll show you what I ended up doing down here. Basket strainers, tailpiece into this joiner. Down here, that's a compression gland there. Little piece of, I cut a short piece of 1.5 inch pipe to join this into the P-trap. And then out of the P-trap, I went over that way and down and into this pipe. And this is, it's sort of unfortunate that the drain pipe was right underneath the tail piece here in the center, but so I had to go over that way. And what I did was I tried to make it towards the back of the sink as much as I could. Anyway, that's it. It's working, no leaks. Anyway, so that's done. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And we'll see you again here very soon on Everyday Projects. Bye for now.